Tired of paying for hotels up front? I get it. You want to lock in that room rate now, but you don't want to hand over all your cash today. Well, you can learn how to find reserve now, pay later options on Expedia in just a few clicks, and I'm going to show you exactly how. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process. We'll start on the homepage, navigate the search, and then find that specific payment filter. I will show you how to go from searching to booking with your flexibility intact. So, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and head over to expedia.com. Just type it into the address bar and let the page load. This is your starting point for everything. Now, look at the top of the page. You'll see the main navigation menu. You want to click on the option that says Stays. This tells Expedia you are specifically looking for hotel rooms, not flights or rental cars. Just one click and you're in the right lane. All right, now we get to fill in the fun stuff. You will see the search form for hotels. Go ahead and type in your destination, wherever you're planning to go. Then, pick your travel dates. Click on the check-in field, select your date, then do the same for checkout. And finally, tell them how many guests and rooms you need. The form will adjust as you make changes, so just make sure it looks right to you. Once everything looks good, click the big blue search button. This might take a moment to process as Expedia looks for all the available places in that area. Just give it a second. Here is where it gets really important. Once the results load, you will see a lot of options on the page. Do not get overwhelmed. Look to the left side of the screen. You should see a section called Filters. This is your control panel. If you are on a mobile browser, you might need to tap a button that says Filter or Sort to open this panel up. Now pay close attention to this one. Scroll down through the list of filters until you see a category that says Payment Options. It might be a little ways down the list. Inside that section, you will see an option that says Pay Later, or it might say Reserve Now, Pay Later. Click that checkbox. This is the golden ticket, and there you go. The list of hotels will update instantly. You will now only see hotels that offer that flexible payment plan. This is the exact step I tested to make sure it works. You can now browse through these results knowing that most of them will give you the option to book now and pay later. So take your time and review the updated list. Look at the prices, the ratings, the location. Once you find one you like, click on it to open the details page. This is your last chance to double-check everything. Scroll down on that page until you see the payment or cancellation policies. Look for the line that says something like Reserve Now and Pay Later or Pay When You Stay. Make sure that option is clearly listed before you hit the final book button. And that is really all there is to it. You now have the power to find and book flexible hotel stays without paying the full amount up front. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you want more straightforward travel tips like this, hit that subscribe button. I will catch you in the next one.